June the 2nd. And still nothing in Montreal. Weather very cold. It was 5 degrees last night, 10 degrees today, around 12 o'clock. And we still haven't planted any vegetables. Some grapevines, they still haven't bloomed. Apple tree, still haven't prepared all the beds yet. Freezing outside. Let's go see the front yard. Some nice rose plants. This one is for zone 4, so and that one. Actually, that's the little baby of this one. Zone 5, roses, still nothing. Zone 4. Zone 5. Zone 4. Daylilies, doing good. Yeah, we're doing pretty alright for now. And our nice little buds are coming out. Our little roses, nothing yet. But it was a very, very cold week. And I guess the season is going to be pretty bad for growing. Have to do some more cleanup here. And our seedlings. We have the tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and the zucchini and the beans are going to be planted by seed inside the planters. So stay tuned tomorrow for more of yard cleaning.